if root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus y square is equal to a times of x minus y, then we need to find dy by dx. So in this problem, let us put x is equal to sine some angle a and y is equal to some sine of some angle b. When x is equal to sine a, then a is equal to sine inverse of x and b is equal to sine inverse of b, sine inverse of y, sorry. And now, so we can write the equation 1 minus x square, that is 1 minus sine square a plus root over 1 minus sine square b, which is equal to a times of sine a minus sine b. Under root of 1 minus sine square we can write cos a. Under root of 1 minus sine square b we can write cos b. Cos a plus cos b is equal to a times of sine a minus sine b. And since we know the formulas cos a plus cos b, like cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 is equal to a times of sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. So which implies, so we can cancel here cos of a plus b by 2, cos of a plus, or we can take out 2 cos of a plus b by 2 common. So we can write here cos of a minus b by 2 minus a sin of a minus b by 2, which is equal to 0. And so that we can get here cos of a plus b by 2 is equal to 0, or cos of a minus b by 2 minus a times sin of a minus b by 2 is equal to 0, or we can write cos of a plus b by 2 is equal to 0. So in this case you are getting cos of a minus b by 2 is equal to a times of sin of a minus b by 2, which implies 1 upon a is equal to sin upon cos, that is tan of a minus b by 2, or we can write tan inverse of 1 by a, tan inverse of 1 upon a is equal to a minus b by 2. So here a is nothing but sin inverse x, b is equal to sin inverse y. So we can write tan inverse of 1 upon a is equal to, or 2 times of tan inverse of a is equal to sin inverse x minus sin inverse y. Now differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, differentiating with respect to x. So this is 2 tan inverse of 1 upon is a constant, so differentiation of constant is 0, and d by dx of sin inverse x is 1 upon root over 1 minus x square minus differentiation of sin inverse y is nothing but 1 upon root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx is equal to 0 there. So which implies that dy by dx is equal to, by simplifying, root over 1 minus y square upon root over 1 minus x square. So we can give the answer now. Dy by dx is equal to root over 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. That's the second option.